Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. My name is Mr. Bracco. I'm your child's geometry honors teacher. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit different this year. We're going to try our best to keep rigor up, but also understanding the challenges that are happening with remote learning. The expectation is to show up to class each day, ready to learn, ask questions. If you're not comfortable unmuting, you can type it right in the chat. I'll see it. Go over it that way. As far as turning in work, everything will be on Google Classroom. They can just snap a picture, make it to a PDF, however they're most comfortable with, load it up into the classroom. Throughout this year, we may experiment with a flipped classroom to see if the students like it. So this first 2 weeks, we went traditional teaching live and they do their homework. Next week, I'm gonna do a flipped classroom where they can watch my video at their own discretion and then come, as long as it's done by the class, and then come into class and we can work together on problems and they can have more access to asking questions on the difficult problems. Then after that, I'm gonna talk to the students to see which is best for them as a whole. I wanna make this as easy as a experience for them as possible. Tech, just make sure they have a laptop or desktop, whatever's easiest for them, that they can log on, they have a microphone and a video. I ask that they be on video so I can see that they're there, they're paying attention, they're involved. Grading, it's going to be points for turning in assignments that are not checked for correctness, but it's just checked to see that they're doing it and they're putting forth the effort. As long as the work looks like the work that's assigned, they can see that they tried it, they drew a diagram, whatever, they'll get full credit. Then we'll have small checkpoints, just probably Google form, might be some multiple choice short answer on one topic that we did, just to see, do they know what they're doing, and they can see where they're at. And then we'll have quizzes, which will be about three or four topics at once. Major tests, I'm not sure yet. We're still working on that, how we're going to do that remotely. There may be major tests. At the moment, it's on the back burner. Support, I'm in the process of creating a Google Classroom for Geometry Honors, which every Monday morning, they'll be able to just log into it and ask questions. So it'll be every Monday morning, probably like an 8 o'clock start. They can jump in from 8 to 8:30, any questions that they have, or if they need some extra help. That's how I feel we're going to do the support and then adjust as accordingly. Obviously, they can email me or send me a message on Google Classroom whenever they want, whenever they need to. If it's a question they understand, just shoot a question on the Google Classroom, and I'll gladly type back to them. That seems to be the best. It works the best for the students, so they don't have to, oh, I didn't make it, I have this, that. They just shoot me their question, and most times, a simple explanation back to them helps them. That's pretty much it for here. I'm excited to hopefully get to know your children virtually and then get back into the classroom at some point in time and really get the full in-depth experience of Geometry Honors and math here at East. Thank you for your time. I have 2 children of my own that are home doing virtual learning, so I understand the difficulties here, and I'm going to try my best to work with them to get through this transition and also keep their academic rigor to the level which you and them expect. All right. Thank you for your time. I will see you later.